Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable dark mode on your Pinterest. So first open a new tab and then here search for dark mode. Now go to the first link, dark mode. So we are gonna install a Chrome extension to enable dark mode. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. The extension installed. Now go to the puzzle icon and then pin this. Now close this. Now refresh. Now go to the dark mode extension, click on that and it's now dark mode. Again click and then it's light, click dark. So that's how you can enable dark mode on your Pinterest. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.